Thank you for watching videos by Jeff Sibelius and LandandAirPhotos.com. This is a quick drone news to let you know about a special sale going on this week only for the Autel Evo drone. Right now, if you buy an Evo from a participating dealer, you will receive a free on-the-go bundle with your order. The on-the-go bundle includes 2 extra batteries, a pair of extra props, and a shoulder bag. This bundle normally costs $170 to $220 depending on where you buy it from. I think this is a great deal. The Evo for $1,000 is an excellent deal. I really love flying this drone. But the special this week makes it even better. Batteries normally run $85 each, and the bag is really nice quality, much better than the undersized cases you get from DJI. I carry my Evo, the controller, and 3 batteries in the Autel bag, and it works like a champ. You can get the special deal at B&H Photos, Amazon, Best Buy, or directly from Autel at AutelDrones.com. This deal is only good through April 6, 2019, so if you want to take advantage of it, you need to jump on it now. By the way, I don't make a dime off this promotion, so take my word as my actual opinion. That's it for now. If you get one of these special packages, be sure to post a comment on here and let me know what you think. While you're at it, check out Autel's video released April 1st that discusses their new product, the Groove. It's linked in the description below. More stuff is in the works, so be watching for future episodes coming soon.